This one, there's many paths to the simplified form of this particular expression. I'm going to take a specific path myself. So I'm going to take my radicand, my 9x to the power of 5, y to the power of 2 right there. Now, I see I've got the fourth root of this, right? So I'm going to take that fourth root right here like this and just make it an exponent of 1/4. Okay, because really you could just say that all that's to the power of 1 if you want. There's other more complicated ways to do that, but I just want to make that 1/4. And the reason that is because I'm going to take these outside parentheses here, which is to the power of 8, and that allows me to apply the exponent rule with 1/4 times the 8 right there. Okay, so the reason why this is nice is because now I have 9x to the power of 5, y to the power of 2 in its own set of parentheses. But again, 1/4 times the 8 right there would have just been 2. Now, yeah, this fourth root to this power of 1/4 is just a change of format. It does not change overall value. All I did there was change the way it looks. I did not change the way or what its overall value, which again, I think I've said this before, but that is a key skill in math. So now I've got my exponent of 2 on the outside of this parentheses. Again, just applying the same rule there. Now I can take my 2 and distribute it into all of the exponents, right? So that'll keep the same base as 9x and y, but the 9 base has a power of 2 times 1, which is now 2, 9 to the power of 2. X base has a power of 5 times 2, which is 10. And then y base has a new exponent of 2 times 2, which is 4. Now that's pretty nice, and that was fun, but 9 to the power of 2 can still be evaluated. 9 to the power of 2, 9 times 9 is 81. And then everything else there, just, we didn't really do anything with that other stuff. So this right here ends up being our final answer. I can't emphasize this enough, but what I did there was just one way to do this. Some students may, they may work with the 1/4 there and this stuff on the inside. Like at this point, you could have distributed the 1/4 into the parentheses, and then you would add that to the power of 8 and then distribute the 8. I don't know. You should still get the same answer, but it's just a different path to take in this one. Is that really the order of operations? Not necessarily. So sometimes these problems, you'd have to sit and think and look, which of the exponent rules is going to help me the most? And like I said before, changing this format from a square root or a root, a fourth root in this case, into an exponent allows you to just focus on the exponent rules. But you do have to make that first change in the beginning.